Welcome to our regular Operation Readiness series. Today's topic is plant consumption tracking and warehouse management. While it follows a similar path like on my previous video regarding the needs to fulfill internal and external needs, there's one additional item which is having all the information to meet governance and compliance. This including but not limited to site map with all warehouse area identified. Warehouse process and procedures like receipt to put away, material picking, equipment movement, timings, ERP, training and safety. Inventory management, FIFO, first in first out, lot control, cycle count, KPIs, and others. If you're interested to learn more, please give us a call or reach out to us. Thank you.